Hey, Scott Hilton, Scott Talks. Little men's fashion for you, or ladies. Got these real thin shirts, polyester usually, quick dry. I use it outdoors when I'm doing gardening or mowing grass or anything to keep the Florida sun off of me. I watch the maintenance guys wear them all the time. You can get them nice and stinky, hang them up in the garage, they can dry, then you throw them in with your laundry when it's time to laundry, and you're good. And you get one of these little hats with a little fabric on the back to keep your neck from getting burned all up. You put some sunblock on, under the eyes, on the nose, rub it in with paper towel. I use the spray on my legs. They're getting pretty brown. Got some freckles on there. Pants, polyester, so they quick dry. And when you're done, you hang them up and head inside and do a quick change, get a shower, and take the rest of the stuff outside and hang it on the hanger out in the garage. Just get you a little rack, put it out there, hang some hangers, little clip hangers, hang that stuff to dry. It can stink all it wants in the garage. And when it's dry, you put it in your dirty clothes and you wash it. No big deal. Okay? So this is my fashion for mowing. Dad's fashion for mowing. Even have glasses for mowing. These, I don't think you'll see it, but these have scratches and things on them. So when you're weed eating and you kick a rock up or something, and they're prescriptions, they're old prescription. So that way you can still read your phone in your pocket, because I always have pockets on my pants. These even have zippers. I've got a key to get the mail, just all sorts of stuff. So this is my everyday carry. I got a toss wallet that I ride my bike with, got some cash, got an ID, old ID, no credit cards. I pay with my Apple Watch or Apple phone, and I've got cash. That way if I lose it, I've lost some cash and some fake old IDs and a card with all the medical information on it and phone numbers and things. If I drop over, yeah, or get hit by a bus on my bike, yeah, or the lawnmower runs over me or something, or I just drop. You get a phone number you can call and some health information, what kind of medicine I'm on, blood type. I wrote it all down there. It's cool. I got keys for the house and the mailbox that we walk to, and the phone that goes in the other pocket. Simple, simple. Okay? And I've got my Apple Watch on. I'm dirty from mowing grass. It'll alert everybody if I fall and drop over. That's what it's supposed to do, at least. So I keep the phone next to it. It's not one of those fancy phone operated watches that cost more money and charge you per the month more money. I got the phone with me. I'm fine. So like and subscribe and share if you learned anything. And yeah, it looks funny, but it keeps that sun off of you. I remember my dad had to get biopsied for cancer on the nose, and he played golf all the time. So he would have a hat on, and that'd be about it, So got to be careful in life. Tan skin is damaged skin, they say here in Florida. So you get a little bit, but, it's not technically healthy. Okay? All right. Now rotate sun sprays, sun blocks, sun lotions, because some say some are not good for you. The zinc oxide, I think, is the best, the white stuff. And, put it on my nose and under my eyes. But then I end up blurring it out when I'm riding my bike or going somewhere, because vanity, right? Yeah. Okay. Bye.